You can embed your Google Sheet in your website if you want your clients to just be able to view your price list. The only issue with this is if you embed a Google Sheets document in your website, the client will not be able to click into any boxes and add anything up. So for example, they would not be able to click in this box and type $45 and it add up at the bottom. It won't work. That's why I created the online price estimator, which is a little more technical, but it is a whole full course to show you how you can actually embed a price list that a client can type into, click into, and get an actual estimate. But if you just want them to be able to view this on your website, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to go ahead and in your itemized template in the Google Sheets version, you're going to go up to File, which is right up here in the upper left corner. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down to Share, and then you're going to say Publish to Web. So go ahead and click on Publish to Web. In the middle, you will have a little embed code here, or you can embed it with a link. If you are more tech savvy, you can use a link. It'll allow you to change the size properties and everything like that. If you are just wanting to copy and paste, you can just choose embed. So if you go here, you're going to choose digital template, since you only want them to be able to see your prices. You don't need them to see the whole thing or the disclaimer. You just want them to see the price list. So we're going to click that. And then you're going to click this whole thing, and then you can right click, copy it, and then you're going to paste it into your website editor. So that's what I'm going to show you next. So I'm going to go over here to the editor, and in this box would be where I would paste my code. So I'm going to paste my code there, and then I'm going to save my changes. So once it's published, I'm going to show you how it would look. So we're going to open my store in a new tab, and I'm going to click on the tutorial page that I made, and here it is. Now, as you can see, like I said, you can't actually type into this document. You can see everything, but you can't change any prices. You can't add anything up. So if you want something where a client can come right to your website and click on different services and add things up automatically on the site, you would need to check out the online price estimator course. I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description. If you are interested, you can check out the free demo, try before you buy. But if you want to embed a Google Sheets document on your website, just know that you can do it, but it is not interactive. The client won't be able to click into it and add anything up to get an estimate. Hopefully that helped answer your question, and feel free to reach out via email if you have any other questions. I would love to help.